Alive and kicking. The vibrancy of life in language. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that's as lively as it sounds. Alive and kicking. This expression is a wonderful example of how language captures the essence of life and energy. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, understanding these phrases enriches your English skills and brings you closer to native-like fluency. So, let's get started and explore what it means to be alive and kicking. Alive and kicking is an idiomatic expression used to describe someone or something that is active, vibrant, and full of life. Interestingly, it doesn't only refer to physical health but also to the vitality of ideas, projects, and even inanimate objects like plants or machines. When you say someone or something is alive and kicking, you're emphasizing their strength, presence, and robustness in the face of challenges or time. The phrase, alive and kicking, is believed to have originated in the 19th century. While its exact origins are somewhat murky, it's thought to reflect the idea that someone is not only alive but also lively and energetic. It's a phrase that conveys resilience and the capability to thrive, not just survive. Understanding the background of such expressions adds depth to your language learning journey and helps you appreciate the richness of English. To truly grasp the essence of alive and kicking, let's look at some examples. 1. After a tough year, the small business is still alive and kicking, ready to serve its loyal customers. 2. Despite rumors of its demise, the old tradition of handwritten letters is still alive and kicking among enthusiasts. 3. At 90 years old, my grandfather is very much alive and kicking, gardening every morning. These examples show the versatility of the phrase, applicable to people, traditions, businesses, and more, highlighting resilience and vitality. Incorporating idiomatic expressions like alive and kicking into your conversations makes your English more natural and expressive. Use it when you want to reassure someone of your well-being, to comment on the unexpected durability of something, or to express admiration for someone's energy and enthusiasm. It's a positive, uplifting phrase that adds color and life to your language. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, alive and kicking. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding and appreciation for the dynamic ways in which the English language captures life's vitality. Remember, language learning is not just about memorizing words but about connecting with the culture and emotion they convey. Keep practicing, stay curious, and, most importantly, keep your English alive and kicking. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.